What you're seeing on your screen right now is how much I have made just by using the website I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. As you can see, this is my email. This is how much I have made today. And if I open up the website, you can see my entire dashboard. And this is how much I have made in total just for sharing my internet. So on this website, all you have to do is to share your internet and get paid to do so. Now, when I say share your internet, I do not mean you are sharing your data. If you look at this, it says get paid to be the view tower of the web. In plain English, what this basically means is that you just have to connect to your device, whether it is your phone or your computer. You want to link it to the website and make money by browsing. The fun part is you don't need to go onto any website to do anything or view any ads. You just browse like you usually do, check online when you have to, and get paid to do that. I know this sounds like a lot, right? But don't worry, I'll share with you the step-by-step process on how to set up and start making real money on this website. But before we go into that, let me run you through the withdrawal process first so you can know if this is something you are interested in or not. Personally, I think this is such a great way to earn money online without having to stress too much about it, especially since I'm already using my phone and laptop to browse the internet. But please, I want you to also remember that, like I always say in most of my videos, this website is not going to make you a lot of money in a short period of time, and this is obviously not going to help you become rich miraculously. Just see it as something that can solve your short-term money issues. However, it still makes sense to me because I really don't have to do anything other than to make sure it is connected to my phone and my laptop at all times. Another thing you need to note is that this website works worldwide, and if you're in countries like the UK, the US, Canada, Argentina, even South Africa, and other countries you can see on the screen right now, then you can even take advantage of their content delivery option that could make you up to $55 in a month, which is a plus for you and can help you cash out in no time. Okay, so straight up to the withdrawal process before we dive deep. As you can see, you need to make up to $20 before you can withdraw your money on this website. And currently, I've only been able to make 25% of my money, which is about $5.19. So until I get to that threshold, I won't be able to withdraw my money. So until I'm able to get to 100%, which is $20, I won't be able to withdraw the money. Now, if you think this is still a good one for you, or basically if you still want to go ahead with this website, not minding that you need to get up to $20 before you can withdraw your money, then it is also fine. And all you have to do, like I said, is to get paid for sharing your internet. If you use the link in my description box, they will also give you $5 at first, something like that. Yeah. So here is the website, and it says passive income effortlessly. You can make money by simply sharing your internet. When you click on get started, it's going to take you to this page right here. You want to create your account, fill in your email address and your password. And since I'm using a MacBook, it's going to ask me to download on my computer. But you can also download this on your Android, iPhone, Windows, and Linux. After downloading to your laptop and setting up your account properly, you can then go ahead to your laptop and type in on again, which is the name of the website. You're going to log in and leave it to run in the background, and you can always track the progress to see how much you have made every day by gathering data and sharing your internet. So back to my dashboard, here is how much I have made in the past couple of months, which is quite little compared to how much I should make regularly. But because I only connected it to my laptop and I use my phone way more to browse, okay, so that is why I've not made a lot of money using my laptop. But anyway, here is also my transaction history, and here you can see how much I have made every day since I've been using this platform. You can also make money by performing daily challenges, and here you can see they are going to gift me $10, which is 10,000 points if I gather 15 MB today, and I've only been able to gather 12 MB, and this challenge would end in about 9 hours, which I think is a lot of time. You can also go ahead to explore other options available on this website depending on the country you live in. But as a Nigerian, the only way you can make money on this application or on this website, depending on where you're using it on. You can use it on your phone or your laptop, is to basically let it run in the background, browse through the internet and make money while at it. So basically that's all I have to share with you about this website. I believe I've been detailed in my explanation. This is the second website I'm going to be sharing with you, and it's called Slice. So if you type in Slice onto your browser, Slice ad, it's going to pop up and then you can just click on it. It will take you to this page right here. Basically what you have to do to this one is to add it to your Chrome. Currently it only works on Chrome, so if you use your laptop or phone, if you browse on your laptop or phone, this is going to work really well for you. Like I said earlier on, I do not browse that often with my laptop. I majorly use my phone. To set it up, you want to click on login, and then you're going to input your email address here, your password here, and then you're going to set it up properly, right? Okay, so this is my own Slides ad account. As you can see, it's currently added to my Chrome. It's an extension added to my Chrome account. So it says here that this page automatically stays open as we are actively cooking up slices here. This is the previous one I talked about. On again, look at how much I've made, and this is how much I've earned today because I've not even been using it I've not been using it at all today, right? I can open up my dashboard and just say, let me say Slice dashboard. My dashboard is going to open up right here. So this is my own account right here. I'm just entering my email and my password, and I also need to go through this verification. Every time you do this, you'll have to go through the verification. Guess who forgot a password? Me. Okay, yep. This is my Slice account. This is my dashboard, and this is just how much I've made. I've only made $0.12, which is less than $1, and that's because I don't use it often. Imagine, I've not even used it this month at all. The last time I used this was in September, and this is basically my transaction history. Not a lot, but then you can still make money using this one. If you want to kind of like get more ads, just come on, after adding it to your Chrome browser, just come on here, this place right here. It's gonna pop up after adding it to your Chrome browser. Just click on it, click on Slice, and then you want to make sure to increase the number of ads that you can see. So if you choose less ads, you're going to get lesser ads. If you click on balanced, you get an average amount of ads, and if you click on more ads, you will see more ads. That way you can earn more money. Also try to turn this on, that way you can get access to more ads. Another thing I really like about this one is that you can also take surveys. Okay, so if you come to this reward tab right here, it's going to load a couple of surveys for you, and as you can see, this one is going to pay you 284 slices for taking 20-minute survey ads, 292, 10, 80, yeah, and this one you get it in 7 minutes. All right, so to withdraw, let's go to your withdrawal options, because I've not even done a lot of these to even get to the withdrawal threshold. But again, you can withdraw via PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift card. So if you're in Nigeria, this is going to work for you. I've never tried withdrawing with Bitcoin, so from any survey website or anything, so I really don't know how that works. Let's find out if you're in USA how it's going to work. So for USA, it's still the same: PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift card. So yeah, this is just a brief introduction about this Slice ad. If I'm able to do anything significant about it later on in the future, I'll be sure to share it with you guys. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.